They was murdered last Sunday. The story really broke Chicago Sun-Times. Chicago News not covered it. It's like a Mateo case, murdered. The suspicions run high. The governor and attorney general have not responded yet. The governor must be involved in this. So the governor must be involved, and all those who care must be involved. We're going to Rainbow Push will take this case. A lot of people know Jonathan Jackson is the point person on this. Jonathan, here's your mother, John.
Okay. Hello, my name is Jonathan Jackson. I serve as the national spokesperson for the Rainbow Push Coalition. It's been 53 days with too many questions unanswered in a murder case. What do we want? We want justice for the Day family. Jelani Day was a medical student in grad school, an honor student, very well thought of in his community, and he went missing on August 24th. His mother will recount and give you those dates. But now it's been 53 days, and there's been a level of lack of professionalism amongst our state police force on resolving this investigation, conflicting autopsy reports. We've reached out to the Attorney General asking them to get involved because justice clearly has been dropped, broken, kicked, and they shall not be ignored. It's one of the most horrific cases of Rainbow Push we have ever heard of. Right here in central Illinois, we know the history of Peru County in Illinois, a sundown town, and this is a very vicious murder that has taken place. So we ask that you continue to pray with the Day family. It takes enormous strength for the grandmother and the mother and the brothers and sisters to be up here, and if you will, listen to their story, and we can ask that you help us join in the cause to fight for their justice. And many other missing persons. There are many other people that have missing person cases. This is just one, and we care about them all. But this has a horrific, gruesome murder to it, and this young man did not put himself in that river. And now for justice to have been delayed is meaning justice is being denied because they're saying now we can't find the film footage. Footage has been erased over. All this information had been thoroughly accumulated within 11 days. In a time frame that you could gather all this video footage, and there's just been a recalcitrant coroner's office down there and sheriff's office and not bringing about equal justice. Please, Mrs. Day.
Hi, I'm Carmen Bolden Day. I'm Jelani's mother. I'm here because I need assistance from the Federal Bureau of Investigation. I need answers. I don't know what happened to Jelani. My son is now deceased. He was murdered, and we want to find out what happened to Jelani. I know I'm not the first mother that has lost a child, but it's a difference when you lose your child and you know what happened to them and why you're bearing versus you don't have any idea or clue what happened to your child. First of all, you don't know where they were, and then you don't know what happened to them. I know that Jelani's car was found on August 26th in Peru, Illinois, which is 60 miles north of Bloomington, Illinois, where he was attending school at ISU. I know that when they found his car, there was no license plate on his car. I know that they found his wallet in an area. They found his lanyard in another area. His body, the body that they found, that they identified him, was found 1.5 miles away from where his car was found. The clothes that he had on were found 18 days after the body was found, 1.5 miles up the river. I know that the things that I asked of the Peru, Illinois Police Department, the Bloomington, Illinois Police Department, did not happen when I asked them to happen. The investigations that I asked them to do did not occur. Things that they were supposed to follow up on did not happen at all. So now we are here on day 53. They have now started back over to day 1. Things that they should have done when Jelani was first reported missing is just now happening now, which I find to me is to be very offensive, is a slap in my face. It just lets me know, like I told them before, my son is important. They disregarded everything about my child, and it's unacceptable. Nobody should have to go through what I have had to endure, what my children have had to endure, what my family has had to endure. looking for Jelani. Jelani was somebody. He is somebody. And I need the Attorney General and I need the FBI to find answers about what happened to my child.
So far, there's been silence. The Attorney General has not said a thing. Now, the governor, we're going to challenge them to become very public. We pursued the Petito case.
Eddie Petito.
Petito. We're looking for the young man who did the killing, apparently. And this is the case, this is the Emmett Till case. Chicago must tell the story. Question, Shana?
You want the FBI to intervene? You think that will help you resolve the questions that you have?
I think that they have access to resources, to equipment, to things that the Bloomington police and Peru police does not have that can help find answers to what happened to my child, yes.
The guy was found in Peru. Do you know why he was in Peru?
He had no reason to be in Peru. Somebody took him there.
And the last time you saw him was when?
The last time I saw Jelani was a week before he went missing.
Is there anything like cell phone records or Facebook records where we may have tried to communicate with someone?
He was not active on social media. Jelani thought social media was garbage. He wasn't one of those 25-year-olds that liked social media. He just recently got on Facebook because his class had a Facebook page. So he was not very active on social media. His phone records, we have not found his phone. We've tried to get information from his phone records. We know that his location was turned off in his phone. So I also am imploring Apple to assist us in any way that they can to help find anything that can help locate his phone, anything that can help locate the last calls that were made, incoming and outgoing. We need all that information because somebody knows something and they're not talking. So now we got to go through electronic information to find out what happened to my child.
Jelani was murdered. Repost was involved in the true source in this movement.
Yes.
You're the spokesman. Make it happen.
Yes.
Thank you, friends.